What is up, guys, and welcome back to a brand new video on this beautiful channel with only beautiful people watching. Hey guys, are you good? Are you good? Like, are you in a good mood? Are you happy? Are you cool? Are you crazy like I am right now? I don't know. I'm just a bit too happy today, but that is good. That is good. So I hope you are happy too, guys, okay? Thank you. We are finally watching the BTS FESTA. We're continuing with the FESTA. We are watching the Airplane Part 2 summer version. I'm really excited. We just reacted to BTS Airplane Part 2. So go check that out if you haven't already, guys, or we will get into trouble, okay? And now we have the summer version of it from 2018. I'm excited, guys. They all look summery. Okay, let's go. Oh no, Jimin is going for an attack, guys. Look at Jimin. He's going for an attack. Oh, what is he doing? Don't give me that. Don't give me Park Jimin in this blue shirt with a pink hat and with those eyes. I have to take a screenshot time, guys. Ah, who are you? Oh, I love that part. Ooh. Oh, wait! No, wait a minute, guys. Hey, what? Hey, hello, what? What's going on? What's going on there? Hey! Hey! What? When did it start here? I mean, I'm not complaining or something like. We have to keep an eye on them. What exactly is happening? Okay, so the first move was not from Hobie. Hobie did nothing wrong. He was just there. Oh, then, okay. He's going with it, okay. Okay, and now it's Hobie's fault, like. Oh. Yoongi looks a bit out of place. And now he's going with it. They look like they're having such a great time. I would love to be there. I want to be there right now, please. I want to go there. Ah, that is just giving me so many good feelings and vibes right now. When you're down, watch that, guys. Honestly, when you miss summer, watch that. Ooh. I love Hobie, guys. I love Hobie, look at him. I love him. We actually married already. It's a secret. Shh. Don't tell anyone. But I'm married with Hobie, okay? But don't tell anyone. Shh. Ooh. Why is Snapchat doing the chair in the background? Okay, like, am I the only one who kind of like wants to have the big watermelon too? Honestly, if you're not happy after watching that, or if you're not in a good mood after watching that, I cannot help you guys. I cannot help you. That was just a blessing for me today. Okay, that was good. Ah, that was really good, guys. I need more of that. Okay, like it, guys. Like it. Like it. And like my video right now if you want to. If you want to, guys. Actually, V is live right now, guys. Can you see? V is live right now. But I have to record something for you. So, it hurts a bit, but I have to watch it later on. Normally I try to watch it live, but not this time, guys. I'm sorry, V, but I had to sacrifice it myself for the tomatoes. Guys, that was really good. I need more of that. Please, thank you. Nice, guys. That was it. If you enjoyed it, leave a like, please. Don't forget to smile today. Have a beautiful, wonderful day. See you soon. Shout out to Chris and to Brittany Ellison. Thank you so much for supporting on Patreon. Have a great day and bye.